Are you guys ready for pizza?
Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures of Nathan and Ethan. Say hi. Today we are making pizza. The ingredients are grain, what we are going to use, pizza sauce, cheese, dough. I never tried dough, so yeah. Pepperoni. While we're making the pizza, the oven is reheated. So that means the oven is warming up. Let's get started. And you need a grown-up too. Ethan, throw a little bit. No.
Good.
Yeah, like that.
That's a lot.
Now we're supposed to spread it out. Oh, it feels kind
So
of
for
bumpy.
this, you can use cornmeal,
Ooh.
or you could use any kind of grain. Do you know why you're using this?
No.
It's for the dough
Oh,
to
so.
not be sticky.
Oh yeah. Gooey.
So that's why you're using the grain, so it's not to get it.
Yeah, it's gooey. It's gooey chewy. Sure.
How does it feel? Feel it.
Gooey. It feels kind of like flat. Gooey and chewy and gooey.
So you could work with the dough.
Oh, we can flatten it out.
So now
Now it
hold the
feels
dough
like-
in your hands.
Oh, cold.
Bring it around.
Ah. Whoa. Why do I still reheat?
What's next?
To put the sauce.
Okay.
Which one to use? This one or that one?
Yeah, I see. Spread this here. You done?
Yeah.
Pizza, 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 pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
And for the topping. Want some cheese?
Yeah.
Then here.
Do it half and half. I'll do some with vegetables.
Put that down. Put your hand in. Here. Now it's time to put the
You like pizza, Ethan?
pepperoni is actually made of pork.
Yeah. Ethan wants to help.
Here.
You have two there, Ethan. This is two. Look. Hold on. This is two.
I kind of have to press it down. Done. Now let's
It's time to.
put in the oven.
Yeah.
Make sure you do this with a grown-up.
Come, Ethan.
And we set it on.
Have it on 450. About 15 or 20 minutes. Let's see.
Yeah, it's
Time
hot.
to go and put it in. Hold it.
Hot.
Hold it properly.
Ethan.
Need help?
Yeah.
ready, and you can see through it.
It's up. Open it.
Oh, look at it. That's the heat waves.
Okay, let me look to know if it's finished. You have to check the bottom of the pizza. So you have to see if it's cooked on the bottom. Yeah, it's cooked. You see?
Ow! Ow! I hope you had fun with this pizza recipe. Like and subscribe. Bye!